If you take pride in completing a project with your own hands, WORKPRO is here to help you get it done right. And with the right tools, anyone can complete that do-it-yourself project that's long overdue. Need to repair something around the house or garage? No problem. Have some landscaping work calling from outside? We've got you covered. From hand tools, power tools, garden tools, and our line of pink tools for hope that supports the National Breast Cancer Foundation. There's a tool right for you and the job. Our new 20-volt power tool lineup allows interchangeability to streamline any indoor or outdoor project, no matter who takes the lead. With both 2 and 4 amp-hour lithium-ion battery options, our 1-hour quick charger will have you focusing on what's next in no time. You can also tag team indoor repairs and maintenance with one of our many different home tool sets. Our tools are easy to use, comfortable, and tough enough to fix almost anything. And most come with convenient storage solutions. And whether you're on the road or in the garage, rest easy with one of our mechanic tool sets. You never know when you'll be called upon to save the day, so always be prepared with one of our easy carry sets that will get the job done when it matters most. And through our proud partnership with the National Breast Cancer Foundation, a portion of each sale from our line of pink tools for hope benefits this powerful mission to help women now and inspire hope to those affected by breast cancer through early detection, education, and support services. When you need quality tools at an affordable price to get the job done with results that will last, look no further than WORKPRO Tools. WORKPRO. Build a better project.